Kaunti ya Meru ni yambĩrĩirie mutaratara wa kugitira mititu na maria maturigiciirie gicigo-ini giki niguo kururumura ugendi kaunti-ini ino. Akiaria hindi ya gikaro gia kwariria mitaratara ino, ngavana wa kaunti ino Kiraitu Murungi augite gicigo giki ni gikwimathira utonga muingi kugerera maria maturigiciirie wona muingi wetikira kumathaitira.
We are giving priority to ecotourism and conservation of our forests, and we are very happy with a very nice discussion and the support from KFS to develop our ecotourism facilities.
Murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa kugitira nyamu cia githaka gicigo-ini giki Michael wa Njau augite mitito mingi gicigo-ini giki iri na njogu ndumwe na nyamu ingi cia githaka iria ingiteithiriria hari kuguciriria gendi ngigitirwo.
We are going to work closely with other partners, that is the KFS and the county government, to continue conservation of elephants and other wildlife, and at the same time to develop wildlife and biodiversity related tourism.
Oho ni ugite ni maranyitira na honge ingi cia Thirikari niguo gutigira icigo ciothe cia kuguciriria gendi ni ciathaitirwo guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.